Hi everyone and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to draw two simple characters and turning it into a scene or a picture. I want you to think more than just the two characters. I want you to come up with like a story between them, or maybe you only want to do one of them and do it that way. So we're going to learn how to make a gingerbread man and a gnome. So all you're going to need today is a pencil or a pen or a marker and some paper. So let's go get started.
So let's go ahead and we're going to start with our gingerbread head. So we're going to do most of the circle, but not the whole thing. It's almost like a sun rising. Now we're going to come in and we're going to do the arms on both sides. Try to imagine there's an imaginary line down the middle, and it's the same on both sides. So we're going to come out from the head, there is no neck, and we're going to draw our arm. It's okay if they don't come out looking perfect. Just imagine your gingerbread is moving or doing something. So we have a little hook shape on both sides. Then we come down for our legs. They're going to be longer ovals. And there is the shape of our gingerbread man. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to start to add our details, our icing. So I'm going to be adding two little lines here across the hands. Two little lines across the feet. Now for our eyes, we could do it differently. We don't have to do just little dots, but I'm going to do little chocolate dots. Little mouth. Circles down the chest. And then you can go ahead and add any other details you want, any other colors you want. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color mine brown, except for where it's icing. And to go along with our gingerbread person, let's draw a gnome, a little holiday gnome. We're going to start with a little wavy line for the hat. We're going to keep that line wavy and loose. So we have a triangle. We're going to draw a nose, which is going to be an oval shape, but don't do the whole thing. And now we're going to draw our beard. It's going to start a little bit in on both sides. And it's going to be a little bit of a jagged line, kind of like an upside down mountain. Then next to the beard, we're going to start the body, which is going to be flat at the bottom, but round on the sides. And you can make this guy as big as you want. Then from the sides, we're going to add two little rectangles for our sleeves and a little half circle for our hand. And before I color him in, because he's done, I want to add some lines. And I'm doing this with a pen so I can get a little bit of thinner detail. So some wrinkles in my hat, some curls in my beard. And now we're ready to color him in. So I'm going to give him a red hat. And I can go right over my pen marks with my marker. And you can color it in with whatever you have around your house. And give him a green little outfit. And give him a little pink nose, but I might go over that with another shade. Kind of red, maybe even a little brown. And then coloring in his hands, but I'm going to leave his beard alone. And there's our little gnome. So you could go ahead and draw a little scene. Maybe they are in a park. Maybe they're at some kind of snowy little hill. But be creative. Think about when you're even drawing these characters, they could be interacting. There could be a story between them. Think about what could be going on. So I hope you had fun making your gingerbread and your gnome. Maybe you came up with a story for them, or you just put them like me in a snowy field. We're gonna call it that. So I hope you had fun. Hopefully they came out super cute. Remember, if you wanna share your photo with me, just tag Choate Studio so I can see it. I love to see all my students, my friends, everyone's work. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.